Looking for something to satiate your sweet tooth? Come on down to Fuji Bakery in Seattle. This Japanese bakery sets itself apart with a unique and delicious arrangement of sweet and savory goodness, giving customers an experience that will have them coming back time and time again.
I will buy a box and bring it into the office and 2 seconds are gone.
I'd recommend everything.
They come to look for something new, something unique, because we have a unique fusion going on here.
Owner Suzanne Lee brings a special fusion of Japanese and French baking techniques like the kind you'd see in Japan to Seattle. This style, combined with the freshness of Washington produce, creates an amazing assortment of delectably light and fluffy desserts.
Japanese style French bakery.
Yes, because in Japan there are two styles of pastries. There's the wagashi, which is truly Japanese, but then a lot of times you walk around in Tokyo or any of the big cities in Japan, their bakeries are French bakeries. But then what they do is they take the French techniques, they lighten up the creams to better fit the Japanese palates. And yeah, so that's what we call Japanese style French
Great, okay.
The sweet stuff is not like super sweet. The flavors are just perfect. Biting into a bunch of like soft cloud goodness and just yummy. It's dangerous.
Japanese cuisine, they have an emphasis on natural ingredients. They want to showcase the ingredients flavor first before the sugar.
Okay.
And then texture-wise, they like things that are fluffy and soft.
Lighter and fluffier.
Yes.
I like that too.
Everything fluffy.
Yes.
Like donuts, okay, taller, fluffier.
Fluffy.
Yep.
Stick around because later in the show, Suzanne and I will make Fuji Bakery's famous Japanese strawberry shortcake.
I'm so bad at this, Suzanne.
Oh, you can make the American shortcake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the American shortcake is, you can see all the layers.
We're back at Fuji Bakery in Seattle, with one location in the Interbay District and another in the International District. This little bakery is creating some unbelievably delicious goodies that leave people a little obsessed.
I've been slowly working my way through like the entire menu.
Their malasadas are great. They have amazing cakes. They're very light and tasty. Crunchy cream is really good. Obviously, I got a huge box. Their chocolate mousse, super smooth and rich. I've had their tiramisu. It now sounds like I'm here all the time.
They come to look for something new, something unique, because we have a unique fusion going on here.
Owner Suzanne Lee understands that the Japanese palate prefers something light and fresh, which perfectly fits the amazing local produce grown right here in Washington.
We use a lot of the berries. They lend the perfect tart and sweet profile to a product. By themselves, they're exciting to the palate. You don't need to do anything to them. Just a little bit of sugar, marinating it, and then maybe a little bit of citrus and sometimes a little bit vanilla to offer that complexity, and that's all you need.
Today, Suzanne and I are going to make their special and super popular strawberry shortcake.
The strawberry shortcake is a Japanese favorite and go-to cake for all celebrations.
Oh.
So I think that's a perfect product to showcase our local berries.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's simple, it's fun to put together.
Great. Well, cheers. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So this is the sponge cake.
Okay.
And we're gonna start with...
It's so perfect.
Thank you. And we'll layer it into 3.
One more layer.
But we are only going to use 2 layers though.
Okay.
Because we are going to put in those large, juicy strawberries, and then it will make the cake way too tall.
Sure.
Once our layers have been cut, we add some strawberry puree onto the top of the first layer. Next comes the whipped cream with vanilla.
When you work with real whipped cream, there is a very fine line between fully whipped, over whipped, and under whipped. So then we're looking for a very precise whip.
Yes. And this is how you get strong arms.
Oh, yes.
We smooth some whipped cream over the top, add some cut strawberries, and add more cream. Next, we put on the second layer. Add more strawberry puree, then it's time for the whipped cream frosting.
Load it up.
Yep, load it up. To make the cake, you would kind of push it down. So when we're pushing, right, we're whipping the cream still.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. So for the overhang cream is what we're gonna use for the side.
I'm so bad at this, Suzanne.
Oh, you can make the American shortcake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the American shortcake is, you can see all the layers.
You make it look so easy.
So I'm gonna do what we call the airplane landing skill.
The airplane landing
Yeah, so you're
skill.
gonna land,
Okay.
all right? You're gonna land.
Oh, I love that.
Just have your focus right there. And then just land over it. Yeah. Yep. You got it.
We add some more strawberries, then it's time for piping.
We're making a simple border to highlight the
pretty.
strawberries.
Yeah, it's beautiful. That looks beautiful.
I like your cake too.
Oh, thank you.
I don't think I could do this before I came here.
Yeah?
Yeah, you did really well.
Thank you.
Make sure you get the berries.
Yes,
absolutely.
Those berries are amazing. And everything is perfectly not sweet.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense. But like, it's just perfect. It's just right. Reminds me of summertime.
I like the simplicity of it.
Yes.
You know, it's just cake, cream, and berries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't get any better than that. I'm just going to eat more.
Yeah, go ahead.
For more recipes, restaurants, farms, and fun, visit us at wagrown.com. Coming up, Tomas is making a special Vietnamese pear dessert.
Mine's a little deep, isn't
Well,
it?
really now, sir.
That's for a big serving.
And we're in the kitchen at Second Harvest trying Chef Laurent's white chocolate and strawberry bread pudding.